Yo, what is up guys, it's me, Adi, and today I'm back with another video. Before I get into the explanation of what DGAZ and UGAZ are, I'd request you to beat up that like button underneath this video and consider subscribing for more financial content from me. This would be very much appreciated as that would give me motivation to keep uploading for you guys. Anyways, let's get right into this video. So what is UGAZ and DGAZ? Well, UGAZ and DGAZ are two leveraged ETFs. A leveraged exchange traded fund, or ETF, is a marketable security that uses financial derivatives and debt to amplify the returns of an underlying index. What this basically means is that a leveraged ETF looks at debt and derivatives to determine the value of other indexes. In this case, DGAZ and UGAZ are looking at natural gas, seeing how it does, and reacting to that. DGAZ and UGAZ are also inversely proportional, meaning that as DGAZ goes up, UGAZ goes down. And when UGAZ goes up, DGAZ goes down. I also want to say one more thing, just about leveraged ETFs in general. What leveraged ETFs do is that they lose value over time. As you guys can see from these images on the screen, UGAZ and DGAZ have lost a lot of money over time. This is so because of what is known as beta slippage. As DGAZ and UGAZ go up and down, there's a small slippage or gap where money is lost. For example, if a stock goes up 50% one day and goes down 40% the next day, how much do you think you gained? 10%? Wrong. Well, actually correct, but in the wrong direction. You'll actually lose 10%. This is what happens with DGAZ and UGAZ on a daily, weekly, or sometimes monthly basis. This has been the case for a very long time with UGAZ and DGAZ. Unless you are day trading or plan to short sell, getting near it just isn't a good idea. Now, I personally trade UGAZ and DGAZ on Robinhood from time to time, and I've made some good money from it. What I've learned is to check the earnings report of natural gas. If you guys didn't know, the earning report of natural gas is released every single Thursday, and you can check how it compares to the projected earnings of that week. It can help you determine if you want to buy UGAZ or DGAZ, and it can make you some good money. Now, the last thing I want to talk to you guys before ending this video is what the 3 times means in the name of the stocks. It basically means that it'll bring 3 times the gain or loss. For example, if natural gas goes up 1%, UGAZ is very likely to go up 3%. If it falls 1%, DGAZ goes up 3%. I hope you guys understood what DGAZ and UGAZ are, and I hope you guys make some good money on it. Be sure to subscribe and smash the like button before you click away. Anyways, see you guys later.